Kendra from Crafty Kendra. Now, this isn't a crafting video today. I just want to let you guys know about some special promotions that Stampin' Up! Has starting today. So the first one is Stampin' Up! Has some grab bags of Stampin' Up! Goodies, and the grab bags are filled with retired products. They have ribbons, accents and elements, chipboard, designer series paper, Simply Scent kit components, and some other goodies in there. They don't have stamp sets or tools, but they have lots of good retired products in there. And they come in 3 different sizes. The $5 bag has $20 worth of product, the $10 bag has $40 worth of product, and the $15 bag has $60 worth of product in there. That's a lot, guys. None of the bags are guaranteed to be the same. They will have randomized product in there, just an assortment. There's no limit to how many bags you can get, so if you want to get 3 bags, get 3 bags. You might get some of the same stuff, but you could get different. There are no refunds or exchanges if you don't like what's in the goodie bag. It's a surprise, guys, and surprises can be fun. But while you're over there getting these grab bags, which you have to order online, and there's a link to my online store in the description box. But while you're over there getting these, you can go ahead and get Stampin' Up's sneak peek item from the 2011-2012 Idea Book and Catalog. And this is the 4-frame set. There's also a designer series paper, and it's called Paisley Petals. I don't have that paper, but I do love this stamp set. They make so many gorgeous cards. And if you don't get it during April, you're going to have to wait until it comes out in the main catalog in July. But in order to get this stamp set with the promotion, you need to spend either $20 online, so grab one of those grab bags, grab 2, and then you can order the stamp set. Or you need to hold a workshop that totals $315 in sales before tax and shipping, and then you can get them for free. Another thing, if you've ever thought about becoming a demonstrator, one of the perks about becoming a demonstrator is you get to do pre-orders of product, and the pre-orders of product normally happen about a month in advance. So right now, it's for demonstrators, it's the pre-order time for the Summer Mini Catalog. So if you've ever thought about being a demonstrator, send me an email and I can answer all your questions about it and get some of these great benefits of being a demonstrator. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to let you know about all these promotions so you can take advantage, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Bye.